Hello everyone, and welcome back to Auto Luxury Channel, the place where we celebrate the world's most iconic classic cars, trucks, and automotive legends. If you love vintage vehicles and automotive history, you're in the right place. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest classic vehicle features. Today, we're taking a closer look at a true workhorse from the early days of American trucking, the 1933 Dodge truck. Built during one of the most challenging economic periods in American history, this truck represented strength, reliability, and determination. It wasn't just a vehicle, it was a tool that helped businesses survive and communities stay connected during the Great Depression. The 1933 Dodge truck carried the rugged spirit that Dodge had become famous for. While many companies struggled during the early 1930s, Dodge continued producing dependable commercial vehicles that farmers, merchants, and tradesmen could trust. These trucks were designed with practicality in mind, focusing on durability rather than luxury. One of the most impressive aspects of the 1933 Dodge truck was its solid construction. The truck featured a strong steel body and a robust chassis capable of handling heavy loads and rough roads. At a time when many rural roads remained unpaved, durability was essential. Dodge engineers understood this need and built trucks that could withstand daily punishment while continuing to perform reliably. Performance. Under the hood, the 1933 Dodge truck was powered by a dependable six-cylinder engine. While it may not seem powerful by modern standards, it delivered the torque and reliability needed for hauling goods and equipment. The engine was known for its smooth operation and long service life, qualities that owners greatly appreciated during difficult economic times when replacing a vehicle was often impossible. The styling of the 1933 Dodge truck reflected the design trends of its era. The upright grille, rounded fenders, large headlights, and sturdy stance gave it a commanding appearance. Unlike modern trucks that often emphasize aggressive styling, the Dodge truck projected confidence through simplicity and purpose. Every component had a job to do, and the design clearly reflected that philosophy. Interior. Inside the cabin, drivers found a straightforward and functional workspace. Comfort was secondary to practicality, but the truck offered everything needed for a day's work. Large gauges provided clear information, controls were easy to operate, and visibility was excellent. Drivers spent long hours behind the wheel, and Dodge focused on creating a dependable environment that helped them complete their tasks efficiently. Farmers were among the truck's biggest supporters. Across America, agricultural communities relied on vehicles like the 1933 Dodge truck to transport crops, livestock, feed, and equipment. Its rugged nature made it particularly valuable in rural areas where road conditions could be challenging. For many farmers, this truck became an indispensable part of daily operations. Small business owners also appreciated the Dodge truck's versatility. Whether delivering supplies, transporting products, or serving as a mobile workshop, the truck adapted to countless roles. Its dependable performance helped businesses maintain operations during a period when every dollar mattered. What makes the 1933 Dodge truck especially remarkable today is its historical significance. It represents an era when vehicles were built with straightforward engineering and a clear purpose. There were no unnecessary features, no complicated electronics, and no distractions. The truck was designed to work hard and keep working, a philosophy that earned Dodge a reputation for reliability. Collectors and enthusiasts continue to admire surviving examples of the 1933 Dodge truck. Restored models often appear at classic vehicle shows, where they attract attention from both automotive historians and casual visitors. Seeing one today offers a glimpse into a time when transportation was evolving rapidly and trucks were becoming essential tools for economic growth. The restoration process for these trucks can be challenging but highly rewarding. Enthusiasts often spend years locating original parts, rebuilding engines, restoring body panels, and preserving authentic details. The result is more than just a restored vehicle, it is a preserved piece of American history that tells the story of hard work, resilience, and innovation. Another reason the 1933 Dodge truck remains respected is its influence on future truck development. Many of the principles Dodge applied to its early commercial vehicles, strength, reliability, and practicality, continue to shape truck design today. Modern pickup trucks may feature advanced technology and impressive performance, but their roots can be traced back to pioneering workhorses like this one. As we look back at the 1933 Dodge truck, it's easy to understand why it earned the admiration of its owners. It wasn't flashy, fast, or luxurious. Instead, it delivered something even more valuable: trustworthiness. Day after day, year after year, it helped people earn a living and build their futures. The 1933 Dodge truck stands as a symbol of determination during one of America's toughest periods. Its legacy continues to inspire collectors, restorers, and automotive enthusiasts around the world. More than 90 years later, this classic truck remains a powerful reminder that true greatness often comes from reliability, hard work, and enduring quality. Thank you for watching Auto Luxury Channel. If you enjoyed learning about the legendary 1933 Dodge truck, please subscribe, like this video, and share it with fellow classic vehicle enthusiasts. Let us know in the comments which vintage truck you'd like to see featured next. Until next time, keep appreciating the timeless machines that helped shape automotive history. Did you like this feature?